This new mixture is actually explosive,
and it can easily blind or kill me.
I then quickly crushed it up a bit, and I put it all into a small bottle.
This is bad. This is really bad.
Then after that, I just put this claw thing over this other thing, shoved my little cube into the hole, which is something that you really don't want to breathe in. It kind of felt like pulling apart a fresh quesadilla. And it glides around with what feels like no friction. The only unfortunate part is that it doesn't last for very long, and within about 20 seconds, I slowly collected some murky yellow liquid.
Whew. Oh, yes.
First I thought it was water, but I think it's something much worse than that.
It's really just the smell that's kind of weird. And this caused a small amount of it to get pulled away as a little string of goo.
If any of you guys maybe have an explanation for this, I'd love to hear it.
I was left with this nasty brown mess.
I wanted hard crack.
I'm not talking about the drug that's commonly known as bath salts. Every one that I tried was nothing short of trash. Eventually, I'm left with a nice pile of scary bubbles, which I thought was kind of satisfying.
That's okay. It's okay to be old. And then we mix it around and we should get some purple.
But it didn't fix the major problem that this method sucked. This is because what I got instead was an ugly piece of crap,
And I have this brown goopy liquid.
and it also looked like it had a beard for some reason.
Oh my god! It's like someone punched you in the top of the mouth.
I was pretty sad because I wasn't able to make oil for my French fries. It's obviously a good idea not to have any flammables around.
But after abandoning it for a bit, it did eventually work.
Or you can just be like me and roll with it and accept the loss of yield.
And there was absolutely nothing, which I thought was really satisfying. You're getting the equivalent of a chest x-ray in radiation, but only in this little area.
Oh.
It's jumping out of the container. This is popping.
I'm gonna be destroying this poor penny for no reason. And I honestly did a pretty horrible job, and if it turned out to be a total failure, that would probably be the reason.
So we're just gonna get rid of it?
No.
And it's probably not a good idea to look directly at it. But anyway, I'm gonna try focusing on some even more dangerous projects,
But we might all die from it.
Wait, what?